Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our exercise 8.3. Here in this exercise we have had problem number first. 20 tons of iron cost rupees 6 lakhs. Find the cost of 560 kilogram of iron. So first of all here we have that 20 tons of iron. 20 tons of iron. So we know that in 1 ton is equal to 10 quintal. In 1 ton is equal to 10 quintal. And in 1 quintal, 1 quintal is equal to 1000 kilogram. So 20 ton is equal to 20 into 1000 kilogram is equal to 20,000 kilogram. Okay, from here we get, and now 20,000 kilogram of cost. So cost of 20,000 kilogram of cost of iron, given that 6 lakhs rupees. 6 lakhs rupees. We have to find 560 kilogram of 560 kilogram of iron's cost. Okay. So from here we get that 20,000 ratio 6 lakhs ratio proportion 560 kilogram ratio x. Okay. So now we suppose that the value of 560 kilogram of iron is equal to x rupees. Okay. So from here we get x into A ratio B proportion C ratio D by formula A ratio B proportion C ratio D, then A into D is equal to B into C. AD is equal to BC, or also this can be written as A by B is equal to C by D. By cross multiple we get AD is equal to BC. Okay. So from here we get x into 20,000 is equal to 6 lakhs into 560. Then x is equal to 6 lakhs into 560 upon 20,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 2, 3 is 6, 0, 0. Then x is equal to 300 into 56. Then x is equal to 3 6 is 18, 8, 1, 3 5 is 51, 16, and double 0. 16,800 rupees. Okay. So this is our answer. Now again, we have to solve our problem number 3. In problem number 3 given that to make 150 cakes we need 120 gram of butter. How many cakes can be made from 48 gram of butter? So 150 ratio 120 proportion. Suppose that how many cakes? Let x cakes can be made from 48 gram of butter. Let X cake can be made from 48 gram of butter. So from here we get 120 proportion X ratio 48. Okay, from here we get by using formula 150 into 48 is equal to X into 120. Then from here we get X is equal to 150 into 48 upon 120. 0 cancel. 14 4 ja 12 4 ja 48. Then X is equal to 15 into 4 is equal to 60 cakes. Okay, 60 cakes can be made. So this is our answer. Now again, we have to solve our problem number 5. Here in problem number 5 given that 6 people can do a piece of work in 8 days. So how long will it take for 12 people to do the same piece of work? So problem number 5, 6 ratio 12 ratio proportion X ratio 8. Here you can see that 6 people can do a piece of work in 8 days. So 6 ratio 12, because you have to find the time value taking for 12 people to do the same piece of work. So 6 ratio 12 proportion X ratio 8. By formula we get 6 into 8 is equal to 12 into X. Then from here we get 48 upon 12 is equal to X. Then 12 4 ja 48. Then X is equal to 4 days. So the time period for 12 people required 4 days. The time period for doing the same piece of work, by people taking 4 days only. So this is our solution. Now problem number 6, 7 and 8 you have to solve, and next day we also solve remaining problem. Now time is over and we start our writing. Thank you children. Thank you.